So it's perfectly normal to drive around your neighborhood with a helmet on, right? What's up everyone? It's Scott with Team 512 and I'm back with another unboxing video. Now in my previous unboxing videos, you saw me unbox parts for my C5 Corvette. Today, I'm going to be unboxing something for myself, and it is a new helmet. Now, some of you may know that I'll be doing my first track day in my C5 Corvette in just a few weeks. So I've been slowly getting the car ready. Now I have to get myself ready, and I needed a new helmet. So this is a helmet by Conquer, and as you can see, I already did a little unboxing just to check it out before I jumped on camera and did an unboxing for you. Now, I initially ordered a helmet from HJC called the AR-10-3, and when it arrived, it was too big for my head, so I sent it back. And in the process of sending it back, I did a little more research on helmets and I came across this Conquer. And it had great reviews and it was about $125, $130 less than what I paid for the HJC. So let's get started unboxing the helmet. Okay, so we'll start the unboxing. And you'll notice the helmet is packaged in this blue drawstring bag here, and we'll get the box out of the way. And this is a typical drawstring bag that you would purchase a helmet in. And if we open up the bag, you can see that the helmet is also packaged in some light foam. And if we take the foam off, we will see exactly how the helmet comes. Now, the first thing I noticed is the texture of this helmet is almost a rubbery type of a feel. Very interesting. You can see it's a matte or more of a flat black in color. And overall quality looks pretty good. You can see some venting here in the top above the brow area, and then also some venting around the mouth as well. Attached to the strap inside is an owner's manual, and we have a yellow strap. And one thing I noticed about the strap is there is a rubbery texture on the end to help with grip. Taking a little closer look at the Conquer full-faced helmet, you will see that it does have a visor with tear-off posts. So if you are driving in an open cockpit or in a dirt track, you'll be able to put tear-offs on here. The other thing that's important about this helmet to note is this here, the Snell SA 2015 designation. This is incredibly important if you are going to be using this helmet in an application that requires a Snell rating of 2010 or newer. You'll see provisions on either side of the helmet. These are the threaded holes to anchor in a head and neck restraint device, such as a Hans device. So these little rubber pieces here will just pull out to reveal the threaded inserts there. You can see that this helmet is a medium, and the circumference of my head right above the brow line is about 56.5 centimeters. And on the Conquer size chart, that fell right in line with a medium size. So I ordered the medium. I have tried it on and it fits me perfectly. Now, I mentioned vents in the unboxing, and there is also this clear sticker over top of the visor. That's always a fun thing to do, to peel these off. And you can see there's a nice Conquer sticker across the top of the visor as well. So all in all, build construction looks very nice. And one concern I have is whether I'll be able to fit into my seat with this helmet and checking for clearance. So let's move over to the car and check the fit of the helmet with me inside the vehicle. We're now inside the Corvette in my new Corbeau Evo X seats. I have a 3-part video series where I unbox, install, and give my driving impressions on these seats. I'll put links down in the description below if you haven't seen those videos already. But this video is about a new helmet and how well it fits, or I fit, in the car with the helmet on. So let's give it a try. Typically, I would probably put the helmet on outside of the car, so you can watch me struggle here. Well, that wasn't so bad. And now we'll buckle up for safety. Now, one ding I'll give this helmet is it does not have a button on the strap to take up some of the slack like some helmets do. I've had a few motorcycle helmets that were able to button the strap up out of the way. So we'll just tuck it up here for now. Another thing about this helmet, real quick, is on the visor. Now, some helmets come with a tab on the visor to help you open and close the visor itself. I thought it was going to be an issue that this helmet did not have that tab. However, there is a recess. I'll show you here. There's a recess in the helmet right here on the left-hand side where you can put your thumb underneath the visor, pull out and up. And it works fairly easily, so no real problems there. Now, with gloves on, there might not be as much clearance to get your thumb under, but you'll have to give that a test. Now, sitting in the car here, in my typical driving position, I have, let me sink into the seat here. I have about a finger's thickness of space between the top of the helmet and the roof. I'm 6'2" and I have about a 33-inch inseam. So with the seat in my driving position, on all sides of the helmet, I have about a finger to a hand distance between the helmet and all sides of the car. And you can see if I put my head to the side here a little bit, contacting the roof line. If I put my seat back, and that's all the way back, and remember those squeaks from the last video on these seats. So with the seat back a little further, I still have about the same amount of space. Now let's put the seat forward. And with the seat fairly far forward, in fact, I probably would not drive the car with the seat this far forward, the spacing between the helmet and the roof does not change much either. So the distance between the helmet and the roof is independent of the seat position. So that's good to know. But bottom line, I think I'm going to be comfortable in this helmet in this car on a track day. Well, that does it for another video. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that like button while you're at it. And please leave me some comments. I love interacting with other people who enjoy cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.